Want to download PDF books for free in 2026 but don't know where to start? Then today I'm showing you exactly how OceanofPDF works, how to download books step by step, and the important things you should know before using it. So first of all, OceanofPDF is a website that offers free PDF and EPUB ebooks across many categories like novels, business books, self-help, education, fantasy, romance, and more. The reason it became so popular is because the website is very simple to use and you can often download books without creating an account. A lot of students and readers use it because books can be expensive, especially in some countries. Now, let me show you the general process. When you open the website, you'll see a search bar at the top. You simply type the name of the book or author you want, then press search. After that, you'll usually see a list of matching books with cover images and download options. Once you open the book page, you normally get choices like PDF or EPUB depending on the format available. Most users prefer EPUB for e-readers and PDF for phones or computers. Then you click the download button and wait for the file to download to your device. After downloading, you can open the file using apps like Adobe Reader, Apple Books, Kindle apps, or other ebook readers. One thing many users like about OceanofPDF is how fast and easy the process feels compared to other free ebook websites. According to reviews online, people love the huge collection and simple layout. Some Reddit users even say it's one of their favorite places for downloading books because there are fewer pop-ups compared to similar websites. But there are also some important downsides you need to know. Many authors and publishers criticize the website because they say copyrighted books are uploaded without permission. So depending on your country, there may be legal or ethical concerns when using the site. Another issue is safety. Some users report broken download links, fake mirror websites, or suspicious redirects, while others say they've used the site for years without problems. That's why you should always be careful when downloading files online. Avoid clicking random ads, double-check the website address, and scan files if possible before opening them. I also noticed some users complaining that the site occasionally goes offline or stops working temporarily, so sometimes downloads may not work perfectly. Overall, OceanofPDF is definitely one of the most talked about free ebook websites in 2026 because it's simple, fast, and has a huge library, but it also comes with real risks and controversy that users should understand before using it. If you decide to use it, just stay careful and make smart choices online. And if this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your experience using OceanofPDF in 2026.